Friends, you might have noticed that there are a bunch of numbers and letters written on a car spark plug. One of the most important ones among them is the thermal code. Every single letter and number you see on a spark plug actually means something specific. But today I want to explain all of this in a simple, practical way, with a real example. Still, the most important thing to focus on is the thermal code. Now you might be wondering, why is this thermal code such a big deal? Well, if you install a spark plug that's too hot for your engine, it can cause early ignition and knocking. On the other hand, if the spark plug is too cold, the combustion won't be complete, the spark will be weak, and the tip of the spark plug will start getting covered in soot. So if you choose the right thermal code for your engine, you'll get strong and stable sparks, better fuel consumption, less dirt and deposits on the spark plugs, and in the end, the spark plugs will last much longer. In fact, they can work for years without causing any problems for your engine or your car. That's why the thermal code is so important when you're choosing spark plugs. I mentioned hot and cold spark plugs, and you might be asking yourself what that even means. When you go to buy a spark plug, how do you know which one is hot and which one is cold? The answer is simple. It all comes back to the thermal code. The thermal code tells us how fast or how slowly the spark plug can move heat away from the tip of the electrode and out to the body. The goal is to keep the tip of the spark plug at a temperature where it can clean itself. Based on this, spark plugs fall into three groups: cold, medium, and hot. Cold spark plugs transfer heat very quickly, so the tip stays cool. These are best for high-pressure engines, turbocharged engines, and engines with high compression ratios. Medium spark plugs sit right in the middle, balancing heat retention and heat transfer, and they're usually perfect for normal, everyday cars. Hot spark plugs transfer heat more slowly, so the tip stays hot, and they're better for low-pressure engines or engines that run at lower temperatures. Now, a lot of people ask, how do we know whether our car needs a hot or a cold spark plug? The truth is, the car manufacturer decides that. They test different conditions and factors, and based on those tests, they choose the correct spark plug and thermal code for that engine. Every engine has its own specific thermal code, and if you ever replace your spark plugs, you should stick with the same thermal code that came installed from the factory. Let's get to the main part, reading the information written on a spark plug. To do this properly, you need the catalog from the spark plug manufacturer. For example, I'm using the Bosch catalog here. If your spark plug is from another brand, you just need to find that company's catalog online. Let me explain this with a real example. I brought two spark plugs with me. The first one has FR7D written on it. The first letter, F, tells us about the dimensions. It means the thread diameter is 14 millimeters, the pitch is 1.25 millimeters, and the socket size is 16 millimeters. The next letter is R, which means this spark plug has a built-in resistor to reduce electrical noise. After that, we get to the heat range, which is the main thing we're talking about. In the chart, higher numbers mean hotter spark plugs, and lower numbers mean colder ones. This spark plug has the number 7, which puts it in the medium to cold range. Next comes the letter D, which tells us the thread length. In this case, it's 19 millimeters. Then we have the letter E, which shows the electrode material. Here, E means the electrode is made of a nickel-yttrium alloy, which is more durable than regular nickel and handles heat and wear better. Now let's look at the second spark plug, which has FLR8LDCU+ written on it. Just like before, F tells us the dimensions. LR explains the design. R means it has a resistor, and L means it's a surface air gap spark plug. In this design, the negative electrode sits on the sides instead of reaching over the center. In double platinum spark plugs, the spark travels along the ceramic surface instead of jumping from the top. Because of this design, these spark plugs need a stronger spark and a high voltage coil, which is why they're not used in regular engines. The thermal code here is 8, which means this spark plug is hotter than the previous one and falls into the medium to hot range. The letter L again means a 19 mm thread length. D shows that it's a double platinum spark plug with 2 ground electrodes. Next, C tells us that the central electrode is copper. Copper spark plugs usually last around 15 to 20,000 kilometers. U refers to the spark plug gap, which is about 1 mm by default. Finally, the plus sign means this spark plug uses higher technology to improve spark quality and durability. That's it for now. See you in the next video.